Hey y'all, welcome. I'm so glad you're here because today we're diving into something that's close to all our hearts, eating well without breaking the bank. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by grocery shopping or wondered how to make your meals both healthy and affordable, you're in the right place. Today we're tackling how to save money, cut food waste, and still eat delicious, nourishing meals. With food prices rising and our schedules busier than ever, it's easy to fall into the trap of takeout or processed foods, but with a little planning and the right essentials, you can whip up tasty, wholesome dishes at home without stress or overspending. I'm sharing my list of 22 essential groceries covering breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. These are the building blocks for countless meals, whether you're craving something quick or planning a cozy family dinner. I've chosen items that are versatile, easy to store, and can be mixed and matched for endless variety. These staples are budget-friendly, high in protein and fiber, great for freezing, and perfect for batch cooking. Think beans, grains, fresh and frozen veggies, and a few pantry heroes that make every meal shine. They'll help you stretch your dollar, reduce trips to the store, and keep your meals exciting. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a whole family, this list has you covered. You'll find options for every taste and dietary need, so everyone at your table can enjoy something delicious and satisfying. Ready to simplify your grocery routine and keep your fridge stocked with goodness? Imagine opening your fridge and pantry to see everything you need for a week of healthy homemade meals. No last-minute scrambles or wasted food. So grab your notepad and a pen, let's get into it. I'll walk you through each essential, share tips for storage and meal ideas, and help you build a grocery list that works for your life. Let's make shopping simple, meals delicious, and your budget happy. Let's start with eggs, one of the most affordable, protein-packed foods you can find, and a true staple in kitchens around the world. Eggs are endlessly versatile, making them perfect for any meal of the day. Scramble them for a quick, hearty breakfast, or whip up a fluffy omelet loaded with your favorite veggies and cheese. Boil a batch for easy, protein-rich snacks that you can grab on the go, or slice them up for a classic egg salad sandwich. Eggs also shine in dinner recipes. Bake them into casseroles, frittatas, or quiches for a satisfying, budget-friendly meal that feeds the whole family. They're perfect for meal prep. Boil a dozen at the start of the week, and you'll have a convenient, healthy option ready for breakfast, lunch, or snacks. Pre-peeled eggs can be tossed into salads, grain bowls, or even mashed onto toast for a quick bite. Eggs store exceptionally well in the fridge, lasting for weeks when kept in their carton. They're a true kitchen staple, always there when you need a quick meal or a boost of protein. Add them to salads for extra flavor and nutrition, tuck them into wraps for a filling lunch, or use them to top grain bowls and avocado toast. Of course, eggs are delicious all on their own. Enjoy them simply boiled, poached, or fried, seasoned with just a pinch of salt and pepper. So next time you're at the store, don't forget to grab a carton of eggs. With so many ways to use them, you'll find yourself reaching for eggs all week long, making mealtime easier, healthier, and more delicious. Oats are a budget-friendly, fiber-rich breakfast staple. Enjoy them hot, baked into bars, or blended into smoothies. Batch cook a pot for the week and reheat as needed. They're shelf-stable and customizable. Add fruit, cinnamon, or nut butter. Oats keep you full and energized without breaking the bank. Greek yogurt is incredibly thick, luxuriously creamy, and packed with high-quality protein, making it a favorite for anyone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing taste or texture. Its rich consistency comes from straining out extra whey, which also concentrates the nutrients and gives Greek yogurt its signature tang. Enjoy it with fresh fruit and a sprinkle of nuts for a balanced breakfast, or blend it into smoothies for a creamy boost of protein that keeps you full and energized throughout the morning. You can also mix Greek yogurt with herbs and spices to create a delicious, protein-rich dip for veggies, chips, or crackers, perfect for snacking or entertaining guests. Swap it in for sour cream or mayonnaise in your favorite recipes to cut calories and add extra nutrition, all while keeping that creamy texture you love. Greek yogurt stores well in the fridge, making it a convenient staple to have on hand for quick meals, snacks, or even baking. It's perfect for meal prep. Just portion it out, add your favorite toppings, and you have a grab-and-go snack or lunch that's both satisfying and nutritious. Whether you're starting your day, refueling after a workout, or looking for a healthy treat, Greek yogurt is always a smart, delicious choice that fits any lifestyle. Chicken breast or thighs are affordable, high in protein, and ideal for batch cooking. Cook a big batch, freeze leftovers, and use in salads, wraps, or stir-fries. Season any way you like and reheat for quick meals. It's a time saver that keeps dinner stress-free. Canned tuna or salmon is a shelf-stable protein powerhouse. Toss into salads, sandwiches, or casseroles for quick, nutritious meals. They're budget-friendly, last long, and are perfect for on-the-go lunches. Brown rice and quinoa are fiber-rich bases for countless meals. Batch cook and store in the fridge or freezer for easy grain bowls or sides. They keep you full and satisfied. Always have some ready for a wholesome meal. Whole wheat bread or wraps are perfect for quick fiber-filled meals. Make sandwiches, wraps, or toast. Endless options. Freeze extras to avoid waste and always have a fresh base on hand. They're a must for easy lunches and snacks. Beans and lentils are budget-friendly, protein-packed, and versatile. Use in soups, stews, salads, or mash for veggie burgers. Shelf-stable and filling, they stretch your dollar. Batch cook for healthy, hearty meals all week. Frozen mixed veggies are always ready. No spoilage worries. Pour out what you need for stir-fries, soups, or sides. They're nutritious, budget-friendly, and help cut food waste. Keep a bag in the freezer for quick, healthy meals. Fresh, leafy greens like spinach or kale are a weekly must. Toss in salads, blend into smoothies, or sauté as a side. Freeze extras before they wilt for later use. Greens boost nutrition and keep meals fresh. Apples and bananas are affordable, portable, and satisfying. Great for snacks, breakfast, or adding to oats and yogurt. No refrigeration needed, and both have a good shelf life. Freeze ripe bananas for smoothies or bake with apples. Carrots are crunchy, nutritious, and last long in the fridge. Snack on them raw, toss in salads, or roast for a sweet side. Shred for slaws or blend into soups. Carrots are a budget-friendly staple for any meal. Potatoes and sweet potatoes are versatile, affordable, and store well. Mash, bake, roast, or turn into fries, batch cook for easy meals. Their long shelf life makes them a pantry essential. Cheese adds flavor and protein with just a little bit. Sprinkle on eggs, melt in sandwiches, or add to veggies. It keeps well and stretches your grocery budget. Milk or plant-based milk is a fridge staple for drinking, cooking, or baking. Plant-based options last longer and can be frozen for recipes. Always have some on hand for meal prep. Peanut or nut butter is a pantry superstar. Spread on toast, swirl into oatmeal, or blend into smoothies. It's packed with healthy fats and protein and keeps for ages. Perfect for snacks, sauces, or energy bites. Tomatoes, fresh or canned, are a weekly must-have. Use in sandwiches, salads, or cook into sauces and casseroles. Canned tomatoes are economical and long-lasting. Roast fresh ones for extra flavor in grain bowls or on bread. Onions add depth and richness to any dish. Soups, stews, stir-fries. They last weeks in the pantry and can be diced and frozen. Start your meals with onions for instant flavor. Garlic brings big flavor and health benefits. Just mince, crush, or roast. Add to sauces, soups, or rub on bread before toasting. Freeze chopped garlic in oil for easy use later. Olive oil or your favorite cooking oil is essential for sautéing, roasting, and dressings. Adds healthy fats and flavor to every meal. Keep a bottle in your pantry for all your cooking needs. Frozen berries are perfect for smoothies, oatmeal, or desserts. They're nutritious, budget-friendly, and available year-round. Keep a bag in your freezer for a sweet, healthy boost.